let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
One of the things that we've discussed over the last several weeks is the importance of the in-home consultation and having somebody come out to the home that's really going to be listening and asking the right questions to really help identify exactly what the best products are going to be for you and the decisions you're making. And this is another great example because this is a sliding glass door that's given this homeowner a lot of problems over the last several years. They're putting a bar in the window to help with security. But some of the things we discussed was how long they're planning on being in this home and how often they use this door, right? Because if it's something that's going to be used a lot, we want to make sure that we have the correct rollers on the bottom. We want to make sure it's under warranty. We want to make sure that the screen is covered under the warranty. Well, we in the industry know that one of the side effects for laminated glass, impact glass, laminated glass, is the fact that it can delaminate over time. Delamination is caused by moisture in the air and heat. And what do we have in Florida every day? Heat and moisture. So we wanted to make sure that this was something that they were never going to have to replace, so a warranty was really important. So we went with an energy efficient glass pack, not necessarily because it would save them a lot of money on their energy bills in this location, but it will provide them the warranty because it will reflect the heat away from the laminated glass to preserve the integrity of the glass, and it also provides a barrier so that the moisture doesn't get exposed to the laminated impact glass. So yes, energy in this particular opening in the home wasn't the key point for this family, but a warranty was really important. So we had to go with the energy efficient glass pack to ensure that they would never have to pay for this door again, and certainly understanding how often they use the door. We were really able to identify exactly what our goals were in this opening and how long they're going to be in the home, so we can identify the exact perfect product for this installation. So they made a great choice and they're going to be really happy with how everything turns out. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.